Welcome to our featured new product here at our showroom at CM Machine Services. Today, I'd like to present to you our CM Machine Services kettle. This is a 400 liter kettle, and this is ESA certified here in Canada, and it is also UL ready, which I will explain. I'm going to show you here what the inside looks like. Over here in the corner you have the two sensors, one for the meat and one for the water temperature. Over here is where the water comes out, and that's the inside there, nicely welded. Great construction and full stainless steel. You have the main switch there, the on and off, the control panel, and you have the water filling on and off. Over here in the orange sticker means that this particular unit is ESA certified for Canadians. On the inside, what it looks like, this particular model is natural gas. Our customer wanted a natural gas unit. It can come electric, it can come natural gas, and also it can be used for propane, also being a natural gas. Over here you can see that you have all the different sizes of the orifice. So your gas fitter will come to your establishment and they will select the right orifice, the right hole size here, and test your pressure. If you want to use propane, they'll test the pressure, and they will also indicate which one to use. They will install the right orifice. This burner here is UL certified, so it's an American unit. And over here we have everything labeled. The great thing about this unit here, it is all safe, so that is a requirement. In this particular model, it has an automatic shutoff and safety precautions according to safety regulations, so that if it reaches a certain temperature, the unit will automatically turn off. That is a requirement in North America. So over here you got a thermocouple, another temperature sensor, and you have the oil drain here as well. On the inside of the control panel, everything done according to regulations, ESA regulations and UL. You have all the fuses over here. So in this particular case, you have the fuse. It is CSA approved fuses. And now all the wiring and everything is done according to recommended procedures and regulations. Okay, I'm just going to give you another walk around of this model. Over here you have the water inlet, and over here you have the safety cap. Now this is important to note, that when the unit is moving during transportation, this cap stays on at all times. But when finally set in place, the user, the end customer, needs to remove that cap. Okay, so this is the note. You can pause the video. That says that you need to remove it when it's set in place. All right. Now, if you go to the back here, you will see that there's these two caps and what they mean. So over here is the oil, thermal oil, S2 type, and over here you have the measuring stick. You can open from time to time. You will come here and check your measuring stick, and there's a line, just like our cars, there's a line that indicates the oil level, and you want to put that at 10 millimeters above the mark. Now it's not a case that the oil disappears often, but you should check it on a quarterly basis. And this is what it looks like here from side view. I also want to show you over here. We like to label everything for our customers so that way they know what all parts mean. So that's the product and water sensors, which is those two blue wires here that you see. So, and here is the exhaust. We ask our customers that they tell us when they make the purchase of the unit, they tell us what their exhaust diameter is, so that we make this part here of the kettle the right exhaust diameter, you see, so that way that you can just connect directly to the measurement of your exhaust system going out. Okay, and that's our unit. I hope that you guys like this demo. Over here, I also want to point out that we put this note for your gas fitter, so that way you should not be starting the unit unless you have a professional come into your establishment and make the connection if it is a gas unit. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you like it. CM Machine Services, here to serve your needs.